Shugga and I, we've been in El Paso for 2 years. Shugga, 2 years? Year and a half. Been in El Paso a year and a half, right? And we're Jamaicans. Jamaicans, we like certain things to cook with, certain seasonings, stuff like that. And we just haven't been able to find it. Shugga been having to like order stuff online, off Amazon. So we found this spot, this Indian spot. Somebody at my job had told me about it, but I didn't listen to them at the time. And I was just rolling through Google just now because I was about to bring Shugga to India to get some Indian food. And I ran into this Indian store.
You're trying to trick me.
Oh yeah, so today I got an award. Shugga, don't let that paper fall. That paper is very important. I got an award today, another AM, which is my second one. If you guys saw the other video, I had gotten the AM before. This is my second AM, my boy. Yeah, so I got a second one today from NTC. But long story short, we found the Indian place, and this place looks like it has a lot of the stuff that we use in the Jamaican household. So Shugga and I were about to run down on them real quick and see what's up. You feel me? So let's go. Let's get it.
Hey guys, so we arrived. It's
there.
right next to the Indian hut.
It's not Indian hut, dude. It's India hut.
India hut. Hey, this is not zooming in. What the freak?
Look at that big ass dog.
Oh, you're so cute. So we just arrived, and it's about to close in a few minutes, so we're gonna have to go and see. Are we bringing the camera in there?
Yes, of course I'm bringing the camera in there. Ha! Y'all getting free review, my boy. Okay. Let's go, baby. All right, so this is the sign right here. It's RV International Groceries, specializing in Indo-Pak, Latino, African, Middle Eastern, Oriental, and Caribbean, and that's where we fall in right here. So let's go see what's up. Let's go see what's up. They actually have a lot of stuff in here. Ah, Supplegen, Shugga, Supplegen. Yeah.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, you want some?
So I need a whole case of that bad boy. I know this place existed. Curry powder. Shugga, man, you want curry now? Man, you want curry powder.
Where?
Do you guys want curry powder?
I mean, this is
That looks strong.
dark.
Yeah, that looks strong.
I'm not saying it's a good thing.
Ooh, they have fresh fruits and not fruit, fresh vegetables. About the okra, I don't like how the okra look though. My raw peanut. Shugga, them have raw peanut. And them have the Supplegen. I'm gonna buy Guinness. And them have okra. See raw peanut there? I don't see the on the picture they did. Man, listen, a lot of stuff that Shugga and I have been needing. Is this focus? Yeah, a lot of stuff that we've been needing.
We used to buy this at the house.
Tough crackers, Jamaican tough crackers, coconut milk, Lasco. Lasco.
Biscuits.
This is crazy. Banana chips, St. Mary's banana chips. Come on.
You getting in there?
Come on. St. Mary's banana chips, plantain chips, Shirley's biscuit, Lasco, Jamaican tough crackers, syrup. Come on. Bull beef, I don't like that brand of bull beef they do. They have sorrel, but I know some get myself. Pimento seed, sugar, jerk seasoning.
You see the mackerel?
Tin mackerel, Irish mash, and I can. I don't know if you can see it. Curry powder.
Yeah.
Oh, baby, you the chef. Yeah, them have, yeah.
They have a lot of rice.
Shugga, we probably should have got a.
And butter. Did you put an
You want butter bean? Come here, ask about butter bean.
Yeah,
What do you? I should have got a
basket.
basket. I'm gonna go get a basket. They have a cart. I'm gonna go get this cart. I'm gonna holler back if we run into anything else. I'm gonna holler back if we run into anything else. Shugga is finding stuff
I'm
we
so
didn't expect to find. She found cream soda, cola champagne, ginger beer.
There's a pineapple one too. I'm not gonna get that one though.
Yeah, they have some,
It's like
they have some
regular.
good stuff in here, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. They have some good stuff in here. I might have to definitely recommend this one. I haven't paid for it yet, but I hadn't paid for it yet, so I don't know what the price is gonna be like, but I might have to definitely recommend this one. Yeah, so
hard dough bread.
wait a minute. So them have curry goat. So if you know on curry goat, right? Them have snapper, but the snapper are frozen snapper, right? Wait. Where say them have beef patty, Jamaican beef patty.
Yeah, see, beef patty.
Them have bami and roti, them have cocoa bread for the patty. Them have plantain. Come on, man. Come on, man. I'm gonna put the address down below. Come on, man. Oh, that's saltfish?
Saltfish.
See saltfish, you know?
I know. You get it.
I'm gonna put the address down below. I got y'all.
Alright, thank
you. Yo, they put our box. That's official.
This was nice, guys. I didn't even want to come, but I'm glad Rave told me I was being lazy and I gotta get out the house and do something. This was extremely nice. They had so many stuff that we had to order on freaking Amazon or have sent up here, and it's like stuff I haven't seen. They had like cheese, Jamaican cheese, the Easter bun out already. I don't know. That was nice, baby, in there. It was nice. They had like a lot more stuff than I thought they would have. A whole bunch of different sodas, a whole bunch of different seasonings. We've been trying to find a good curry. It's been hard finding curry, but now we think we got a good one. I'm just glad Ray, we could have known a year ago, but I won't say nothing about that. I won't say it's Ray's fault, but it's Ray's fault. It would have been nice if our moms had knew when they had came down, but yeah, this is nice. They'll definitely be seeing more of us. We're gonna go to the Indian place?
I don't know.
We'll see if we can go to India Hut now. We'll see. We may not be able to go, but if not, I feel good with what we got today. And it only came up to 109, so not that bad. Bye, guys.
So Shugga and I were at India Hut right now, which was the place that we went to last time. We really liked the food because Shugga wanted some samosa. Remember the last time we said it wrong and somebody was like,
I don't know if he was upset or he was being joking or whatever.
Somebody was arguing with us in the comments last time because one of us said samosas wrong. Then if that happens, all you do is that's an opportunity to teach someone. You teach them how to say it properly. Don't start arguing with someone. Oh, you said samosa.
I don't think it was even arguing. They didn't say anything bad.
But yeah, she's getting samosas and a mango. What's the other thing you got? A mango? Mango lassi. But yeah.
Hey guys, so we just reached back home. Look at Ray trying the samosas. They're good? I might went in the car ride. But we just got back. I'm gonna pack all the stuff, but we just really want to say, what was it called? RV International? RV International in El Paso. Definitely a place to go if you're either definitely Caribbean, because you can't find it anywhere else. Caribbean, Oriental, Latino, and especially Indian. They had a whole bunch of stuff, but
even if you're in none of those and you just want to try like stuff from different cultures, I'm sorry if I'm talking. I definitely recommend if you go there and try the food.
Yeah, because we got Easter bun, we got our cheese. It's a little expensive, but if you know that stuff is already expensive. We got some frozen beef patties to try. We just got a whole bunch of stuff in it. I'm like really looking forward to it. Now we have definitely have a place that we could go to for sure. And when our moms and our families come back to visit, you know, we have a place and we don't have to order stuff. We don't gotta ask them to ship down anything for us. So that's just gonna be a nice little thing that we have going on. But this is just the end of the video. We just wanted to sign off. And if you guys haven't been to India Hut yet, oh man. It was good. It was really good. We have dinner, but Ray was just when we were in there, the smell was so strong and nice. And he's like, might have to get some of that food instead. But definitely a place to go. RV International in India Hut. Literally right down the street from each other. Super close. Was it far from us, Debbie? Like a 20 minute drive, depending on traffic. Yeah, traffic was bad. But definitely a place to go. Definitely for all the Caribbeans. I don't know about other ones, but definitely for that one, that was definitely a place to go and try your stuff out. But signing out, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.